To my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this unit that I have installed. Today's hair sponsor is Recool Hair. They sent me this 22-inch body wave wig in 150% density. This is a 5x5 closure wig. So I haven't decided if I want to wear this wig glueless because it does look pretty good. You guys, I need your opinion on something. I shaved my eyebrows off, mainly the tail end of it, and I'm doing this like cat eye look. I'm trying something. I don't know how it's working out for me. I think it looks pretty cute, but let me know, you guys. Those of you who've been watching my channel for a really long time, you guys know the way that I do my eyebrows. So do you guys prefer it this way or like before? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, now let's jump into the review. So for this install, you guys, I'm gonna be doing this body wave wig straighten. Like, we've been reviewing a ton of body wave wigs recently, so yeah, let's just switch it up, you know, do something different. Can this wig go through the ringer? Can it be straightened? Can it be slayed and, you know, all sleek and straight? Let's find out. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Also, guys, let's disregard the outfit of the day. I don't know what I was thinking with this cardigan. It's very much giving Harry Potter vibes, like cloak vibes. It's just not giving. Anyways, so I am right now blow drying the hair because it is a bit damp. I didn't let it completely dry all the way after I bleached the knots and washed it. So I'm just going through and just kind of giving it a rough blow dry. I do want you guys to know, like, I noticed there was a lot of flyaways on this unit around the top. It took some work to hide it, but in the end, we will figure out how to do that. One of the ways I'm trying is, you know, putting some mousse and, you know, just really going over that back and forth with the blow dryer to get it flat and seeing if that works. But it also helps, you know, flatten the top of the wig because the wig, you know, isn't as flat as I would want it, knowing that I'm going to be wearing this wig straight. So that's what I'm doing right now, trying to get it really, really pressed down with the blow dryer. It's on the hottest setting, so it actually works like a flat iron. I'm so hot. I am hot, hot, hot. I know it looks like I'm naked because this top almost matches my skin. Exactly. But I'm hot. I'm liking how straight it's getting. It's getting pretty straight. So yeah, we're definitely going to continue to straighten this wig. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, you guys. When I was working in a hair salon, I would always use heat protectant on my clients' hair before, applying heat. But with these wigs, I don't do that. I don't notice a difference, to be honest. Like, I really don't. The only difference I notice when I use the heat protectant is that the hair clumps together. It doesn't sway as much. It just doesn't feel as smooth and like bouncy and like free flowing kind of thing. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I noticed that I just don't like how the wig looks when I put those products in the wig when I'm styling it. So I try to avoid as much products as possible. The only place I would really put products on in a straight wig is usually on the top or around the mid shaft area, because it usually has like some flyaways or it just needs to be tamed down to lay flat. And guys, I'm going to drop some gems right here, okay? So I know we're told to condition the wigs, deep condition it, co-wash it, all this stuff, right? Conditioning the wigs is necessary eventually, like every now and again, but realistically, what you need for the wig to be clean and bouncy is just some shampoo. All you need is shampoo, and really rinse the shampoo out really well. And if it is really dry and it's been like, a few weeks, you can hit it with some conditioner, but I would really recommend washing out that conditioner really well and avoiding products like silicone mix, because it just weighs the hair down. Just like conditioner does, it coats the hair. It puts a barrier on top of the hair follicles to make it appear that it's softer and smoother, but really all it's doing is adding buildup to your hair. So that's why when you put on your wigs after you've conditioned it, it might look good on the first day, but the second day it's looking very clumpy and it's not moving. That is why, you guys. So stay away from those products. All you need is shampoo. I did bleach the knots on my unit and I let it air dry for the most part, but it was still pretty damp when I got to it. So this is what the scalp looks like, the hairline looks like. It looks really good. I did put some powder on the hairline when I was installing her. I really went for a minimal baby hair look today because this wig was so beautifully constructed. It did come pre-plucked already, and it was like a light pre-pluck. You could go in and pluck some more, but you definitely don't need to. Up close, that's what it's looking like. On a closure wig, you're pretty much going to be wearing it in a middle part or a side part because you're limited to the parting space. It is a bit wider than your traditional 4x4, so I definitely love the fact that it's a 5x5. This wig is in 150% density. I would say it's true to 150% density. From what I've been seeing lately, this is pretty accurate for 150% density. 22 inch, I would say, is definitely longer than 22 inch. I would say it's 24 inches or more. So it is definitely styled length 22, but it's definitely giving longer than that. I am here for it. If you order 22 inch and you get 24, like, I don't think anybody's ever gonna be mad at that, ever. So yeah, that's always a good thing. Today I wanted to do something different. I've brought a lot of body wave wigs to you guys recently. I really wanted to put this wig to the test, so I wanted to see if it could get really straight, like bone straight. I wanted it to look like this hair is growing out of my scalp. To it, I didn't put any products in the hair, like as far as like this part. I just sprayed like some hairspray and some edge tamer and that sort of thing, but like I didn't put any oils or anything on the unit. That is the natural luster of the hair. It is very healthy, very soft. A lot of body wave wigs, when you try to straighten it, it does not straighten. This one took really nice to the straightener, so just with a few passes over, I was able to get it really, really bone straight. This is actually like the third collaboration, I think, with them, and I'm really liking this unit. So far, this is my favorite wig that I've tried from them. Definitely check them out for an affordable option. Beautiful wig. You can straighten it, you can wear curly, and having a closure wig, you guys, is very easy. It's very low maintenance. It's very beginner friendly. You can wear glueless. If you don't know how to put on the wigs and secure it with any adhesives, you don't have to worry about that. It does lay pretty flat. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section below. Leave a comment of your thoughts on this unit. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, what are you doing, sis? Get on it. Anyways, guys, I've been rambling on for too long. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in a video real soon. Bye for now.